Hi friends, my name is Akash sir and I am here to discuss about the topic the lockdown 2.0 in India. As our PM Mr. Modi has announced that the lockdown is going to continue till 3rd of May and this has been taken by all the people, especially the CM of all states and top IAS or administration officer of PMO and other departments. So why PM Modi has to taken decision to continue the lockdown? Let's have a discussion. So if you see that the number of cases till now are more than 10,000 and approx more than 350 people have died due to coronavirus or COVID-19 disease. The problem in India is that we have many problems. First, if lockdown is continued, what is going to hamper? The first thing is that many people are stuck at different cities and they are not able to go to their home, especially the people who are coming from remote locations from Bihar, Jharkhand, UP or Bengal or Orissa maybe to the western part or developed cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, etc. As they are not getting the shelter as well as the food at that city, and apart from that, they are not getting the money on daily basis. So they are not able to feed their bellies, to feed their families, and they are stuck. They are also not able to go to their hometown or home villages. This is the first most concern point. Second point is that we have a lot of means more than crores people who are working in unorganized sector or unorganized way. The unorganized means that people are getting their money on the basis of daily working or daily wages. If they are not able to get the money, how they are going to feed their belly and how they are going to take care of him or her and their family. The next point which I have to discuss is that the healthcare system. Right now, if we see that only more than 2 lakh tests of coronavirus or COVID-19 has conducted, and we have more than 130 crore of population. So 2 lakh tests or 2.5 lakh tests is very small amount in comparison to 1.3 billion core population. So the problem is that we haven't what I can say adequate hospitals or doctors available across the India. If we see the ratio of per person to a doctor, it is approx I think 7 to 8,000 one doctor in 7 to 8,000 people of India. So this is a huge what I can say the ratio between the number of patients and the number of doctors. Apart from that, the key from which we can find whether the person has been suffer from COVID-19 or not, the test kits are also very less in terms of ratio. That's why we are not able to conduct the test. Okay. So the right now, why PM Modi has extended the lockdown? The problem is that as the economy is slow down, or maybe there are chances to crisis of economy of financial year in this year, and we are not opening the markets or not opening anything in India. That is that if the persons which are increasing right now, I suppose that 500 or 800 per day will be increased tremendously. For example, let's from 15th of April, if PM Modi has not continued the lockdown, and from 16th April, we have a kind of normalcy across the world, across the India. Then, for example, if 1,000 is infected in one day on 16th April, and then maybe that on 17, then the number of infected person will be 2,000, then 4,000, and then something. And the thing is that the number of beds or number of hospitals available in India, either in government sector or maybe in private sector, are very, very, very less. We are not able to feed people or not able to quarantine the people who have been suffer from the COVID-19. So, as the health system is not good, so we have to continue the lockdown. So that the number of people or number of persons who are infected from COVID-19 should be somehow a constant minimum, 800 to 1,000 per day in a year, per day in across the India. And apart from that, the steps which the government of India and state government has taken, that to find out the hot sport where the number of people are infected and then chance to spread of the COVID-19 is much higher if the persons from that colony or something apartment like Dharavi colony, this is a slum area in Mumbai, has been totally locked down. No people can get in, no people can get out. This is very crucial time. So I urge to all the people of India that we should take care of ourselves and try to follow the rules as much as we can. We should avoid to get out from the home and try to purchase, or what I can say, try to purchase the essential things for the 1 week or 15 days, so you can avoid on daily basis or 3 to 4 days basis to come out from the home. Thanks.